Well, it's been 2 years since the rollout of the Easy Remember 988 Suicide and Crisis Lifeline. And while millions of people have called, texted, and chatted with counselors, well, officials say many others still do not know this help is out there.
So there is a new tradition starting this weekend to raise awareness and erase the stigma around mental health.
What's going on?
In the 2 years since the 988 Lifeline switched to an easier to remember three-digit number, officials say more than 10 million texts, calls, and chats have been answered.
That's quite a high number that lets us know that there are people that are in need of this service.
Monica Johnson, director of the 988 Crisis Coordinating Office, says many don't know they can dial 3 numbers to get one-on-one mental health help. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Calls are answered by counselors in more than 200 crisis contact centers across the country.
Whether that's a mental health crisis, people experiencing depression, anxiety, people having concerns about substance misuse, and et cetera. So it's for any type of crisis.
That's why Sunday, September 8th, or 9/8, has become 988 Day to raise awareness for the Lifeline, which expanded last year to include services for Spanish speakers, LGBTQI+ youth and young adults, and for people who are deaf or hard of hearing. Video phone contacts in American Sign Language, veterans, service members, and their families can also call 988 and press option 1 for support geared specifically to them.
We want people to know that this exists. We know that it saved lives, and we want people to just spread the word.
And earlier today, our camera was there as the Indiana Family and Social Services Administration provided an update on Indiana's 988 Crisis Response System Suicide Prevention Month. Listen.
Our goal is to provide all Hoosiers access to high-quality mental health and substance use care in a timely manner, including 24/7 access to mental health crisis services. There is now someone to respond in a mental health crisis in a safe place for help other than the hospital. The 988 Crisis Response System continues to grow to ensure access to crisis services for all Hoosiers.
Today, more than 2/3 of Hoosiers have access to mobile crisis services.